How? Free spirit, sunset, one with the animals here, with a little bit more about farm chores. So these are our animal feed bucket bins. And here are the bins on the ground that we use to fill, the buckets that we use to fill, to take the feed out to the animals. Whenever we're done with farm chores, this is how it should look. Buckets stacked, lids shut with the scoops inside the lids, or inside the big cans with the lid on top. And that's it. Not a lot of stuff all over the porch. We need to make sure that the barn porch, when we're done for the day, is tidy. That doesn't have anyone's job's name on it. It's just how we leave it. It'll be that way when you arrive. Let's try and leave it that way when we leave.